Welcome back. Crime Branch seems reluctant to proceed in the probe against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in Cerula Comunidad land grab case. Sources inform Crime Branch feels that the High Court in its judgment in related civil matter has given a remedy to Parulekar to regularize the plot of land by paying the amount due. Hence, nothing is left in the case to proceed against the minister. Directorate of Prosecution has to finally take the call. Watch this report.
After litigation and court's direction, Porvorim police registered FIR against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in Cerula Comunidad land grab case, later to nullify the criticism and allegation that Porvorim police is trying to hush up the case. Parrikar government handed over the investigation to the Crime Branch. Now Prudent has learned that Crime Branch is also reluctant to proceed in the case against Parulekar. According to sources, Crime Branch is likely to seek a legal opinion from the Directorate of Prosecution that whether they can file a closure report before the Mapsa JMFC court, who has directed Crime Branch to file status report of the investigation in every 15 days. A senior officer of Crime Branch, while talking off the record to Prudent, told that Crime Branch has not got any solid proof against Parulekar showing any criminal act in the illegal allotment. The officer also opined that the High Court in its judgment dated 25th February this year in the related civil matter has given a remedy to regularize the land. Following the High Court's judgment, nothing remains in the case to proceed. That's what the cops feel. But some legal experts have opinion that the Crime Branch must proceed with the investigation and should file the facts before the trial court in the form of charge sheet. Then the case should be left on the trial court to decide whether Minister Dilip Parulekar has committed any crime or not in Cerula Comunidad land grab case. The plot in dispute, measuring 599 square meters, is located at Chogam Road in Porvorim. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Dalgado Konkani Academy has demanded Romi Konkani in the school curriculum. Former President of Theatre Academy Tamazin Kardos and President of the Dalgado Academy Premanand Lotlikar at the opening of Academy's new premises raised issue of government's stepmotherly treatment to the Romi Konkani. However, Chief Minister Parulekar preferred to stay mum on the demand to avoid any controversy, while MLA Kaito Silva slammed the church for campaign against him.
Government is firm on its stand not to amend the Official Language Act, which makes sure that Romi Konkani will not get the status of official language. On this backdrop, Dalgado Konkani Academy has demanded that Romi Konkani should be at least included in the school curriculum. Leaders say government should not give stepmotherly treatment to Romi.
कायद्याक तुम्ही हात लायना नाकाला पण जाता जाल्यार भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलांनी शिकोवपाक रोमी लिपीन संधी दिवची आनी हे जर दिलें जाल्यार म्हाका खात्री आसा कोंकणी भास गोंयांत तर केन्नाच मरची ना.
समाजीन बाबा मागलाच पूण हांवूय मागता आमकां स्टॅपमधली ट्रीटमेंट दिनाका. रोमी लिपींतले कोंकणी जे वापरताले तांणी कोंकणी सांबाळपाचें खरें काम केलां आनी देखून म्हजी एक मागणी आसा की जो मानाचो जागो रोमी लिपींतल्या कोंकणीक मेळपाक जाय तो जाता तितल्या बेगीन सरकारान प्रयत्न करून आमकां दिवचो.
However, CM preferred to remain silent on the issue to avoid any controversy.
Theatre ani utali wo विषय plan करून आणि 15 more days they can rinse it so that it becomes khima. त्यामुळे आनीक भितर रोमी हेजे तूप घालना you will see it some other time.
But Vinci Cardozo says government should settle the issue once and for all.
आनीक तुम्ही तातूंत तेल घालूंक सोदनात पूण भाशेच्या कामाक तुम्ही तेल घालचेच पडटले हे आमचे तुका मागणी आसा.
Meanwhile, heard by campaign against him, MLA Kaito Silva slammed the church.
जे एक करचे न्ही म्हजें नांव काडून सांगलें ही मेसेज वचोंक जाय आसली म्हूण हांव रावतालो कित्याक आमी उलयले म्हणटच धर्माचेर उलयले म्हणटा खंय ना खंय तर कंट्रोल आसूंक जाय उलयता आसतना कित्याक आमकांय दुखता आमी मनीसूच.
Though Parrikar-led government is in no mood either to amend the Official Language Act or clear its stand on the Romi script, Dalgado Academy has definitely raised a new issue demanding a place for Romi Konkani in the school curriculum. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Parrikar-led government is yet to take any decision and action on the Jha Committee report on the Konkani Ruby residency collapse, which killed 33 labourers. The report is being analysed and re-looked at. Chief Minister, while speaking to Prudent, said government agrees with some of the points in the report, while on some points there are varied opinions. Government will analyse the report and give its opinion. Government had received the JAR committee report in July.
Government has received the JAR committee report on Ruby residency case. The building collapse at Konkani had killed almost 33 labourers and had left several injured. Parrikar said government agrees with some of the points mentioned in the report, while on some points there are varied opinions. Government will analyse the report and decide future course of action.
JAR committee analyze
report submit झालं ना government.
Submit झाला, but there are areas where we agree totally. The areas we have slight difference of opinion. So let them first analyze.
आणि इंटरपोल आणि प्रदीप सिंग बिरिंग ट्रेस केला काही ना.
On the occasion of 68th Independence Day, government honoured firefighting personnel with Chief Minister's Gallantry Award. Along with Director of Firefighting and Emergency Services Ashok Menon, 9 other fire personnel were awarded with Gallantry Awards for their remarkable rescue work at Ruby Residency tragedy. Media questioned CM on the main absconding accused builder Pradeep Singh Biring's extradition from the UK. He said police will do the needful to get the accused deported to India. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.